Hey creators, want your post to explode with likes, shares, and followers without spending a dime? Today we're revealing 3 free tools that pros use to make content go viral. Plus, stick around to learn how 1 week freesocial.com can handle all your posting hassles for free. First up, Canva. This magic design tool lets you create eye-catching graphics, Instagram stories, and YouTube thumbnails in seconds, even if you're not a designer. Use their free templates, drag-and-drop editor, and stock photos to make posts that pop. Pro tip: add bold text and bright colors to stop scrollers in their tracks. Want to save time? Let 1 week freesocial.com schedule your Canva masterpieces automatically. Tool number 2, CoSchedule's Headline Analyzer. Did you know 80% of people decide to click based on your headline? This free tool grades your titles and tells you how to make them irresistible. Aim for a score of 70+ to boost shares. Pair killer headlines with 1 week freesocial.com 7-day free trial and watch your traffic soar. Tool number 3, Buffer. Posting consistently is key to going viral. But who has time? Buffer's free plan lets you schedule posts across Instagram, Facebook, and more in 1 click. Set it, forget it, and let your content work 24/7. Or skip the work entirely. Let 1 week freesocial.com post for you daily during your free trial. Bonus tip: use Unsplash for stunning free photos. Edit them in Canva, add a buffer schedule, and boom, viral-ready posts in minutes. Ready to go viral without lifting a finger? Try 1 week freesocial.com risk-free. We'll post daily for you for 7 days. No credit card needed. Love it? Keep going. Not your vibe? Cancel anytime.